driving in my car now, anticipating fun. I'm driving right up to you, babe. I guess that you couldn't see, yeah, but you were under my wheels, honey. Why don't you let me be? 'Cause when you call me on the telephone, say, take me to the show. And then I said, honey, I just can't go. Old lady's sick and I can't leave her home. Telephone is ringing. You got me on the run. I'm driving in my car now. I got you under my wheels. I got you under my wheels. I got you under my wheels. Got you under my wheels. Yeah, yeah. I got you under my wheels. Telephone is ringing. You got me on the run. I'm driving in my car now, anticipating fun. I'm driving right up to you, babe. I guess that you couldn't see, yeah, but you were under my wheels, honey. Why don't you let me be? Yeah, got you under my wheels. Yeah, I got you under my wheels. Wheels. Got you under, got you under my wheels. Got you under my wheels.
You feel that? Ah, shit. Oh,
Drowning deep in my sea of loathing, broken your servant I am.
will you give it to me?
It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me.
Will you give it to me?
Looking at my own reflection,
When suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh,
no, there is no turning back now. You've woken up the demon.
yeah, me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it open to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Madness is the gift that has been given to me.
I can see inside you the sickness is rising. Don't try to deny what you feel.
Will you give it to me?
It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying in me.
Will you give it to me?
It seems you're having some trouble
In dealing with these changes, living with these
pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she changes from day to day. I wanna tell her that I love her a lot, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, someday I'm gonna make her mine, oh yeah, someday I'm gonna make her mine.